Hi friends and welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to make chicken noodles, which is also well known as chicken chow mein. Ingredients required to make this chicken noodles are I have some boiled noodles here, nice and fluffy it's looking. I have boiled them with little water, salt and little bit of refined oil. After boiling it, I have put little cold water. Here I have small pieces of chicken. Here I have taken two small carrots and I've cut them into long slices. Here I have green bell peppers. I've cut them into slices. Here I have spring onion green. I'm going to give few green chilies. This is optional. Here I'm going to give soya sauce. I'm using the light soya sauce. As I'm not going to use any salt, so I'll use a little bit extra soya sauce. If you want, you can reduce the quantity of the soya sauce and put salt in your noodles. And just keep one thing in mind, we have boiled the noodles also with salt. So I have to put the soya sauce, add the soya sauce very carefully. Here I have black pepper powder and here a little bit sugar. So let's get started. First I'll marinate the chicken with little soya sauce, little bit of black pepper powder, I will mix it. And I'll keep this aside. By the time I'll heat little oil in the karai. I'm using soya bean refined oil. Our oil is heated. I've put 2 tablespoons of oil. Now I'll put little chicken, the marinated chicken in the oil. Be careful, reduce the flame. I'm not going to fry all the noodles together. We will cover it for some time, put it on low flame and cover it. Our chicken is ready little bit. Now I will add the carrots, bell pepper, green chilies, little bit spring onion green, and I will saute it. Increase the flame little bit. To let the carrots get cooked, I will again cover this and leave it on low flame for near about 5 to 7 minutes. Here our carrots are cooked, our chicken is also fried. Now what I will do, I will add little black pepper powder, little bit soya sauce, and little bit sugar. Now cook on a high flame. Now as you can see, soya bean and black pepper powder has mixed well with all the veggies and chicken here. I will add the boiled noodles little by little. Mix them. Here is our chicken noodles ready. Now we'll transfer it on the serving bowl. Here is our chicken noodles ready. You can serve it hot with any kind of sauce you like. I have taken chili sauce. I hope you liked my recipe. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my new recipes. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.